In today's video, I'm going to show you how to geotag your images for free. I know there are a lot of softwares or services that do not allow you to do it for free. They give you like, hey, you can tag one image for free, and then they try to upsell you to a subscription. But today, I'm going to show you how to do this without you even having to sign up for one of these things for free trial. Now, if you're new to geotagging, this process is a popular local SEO technique, which helps businesses increase their visibility in the local search results. It pretty much improves the local relevance and enhances your Google Business Profile performance. It supports map-based searches. It increases engagement with local audience, builds trust and credibility, gives you a little bit of a competitive advantage in local SEO, and boosts your overall SEO efforts when targeting localized areas. So, if you're trying to target local area geographically and you're not geotagging your images, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. With that being said, let's jump right into an action. The website I like to use for geotagging is geotagimage.com. This website is completely free. You don't even have to sign up on it. You just drag your image in here, and I'm going to give you an example here. Let's go ahead and drag something in here. This is the office photo that I took of my payment processing company that I'm currently working on scaling. Let's take a look at this. This is the area of this image that you have to fill in. So let's go jump in here real quick. All right, let's jump in over here real quick. I have broken this out so that you can understand exactly what you're putting into each of these boxes. So starting with the description and title, you just put in like a short descriptive title relevant to the image of your business. So whatever that image is, you want to have a short descriptive title that is relevant to that image. And why do you need it? This helps search engines understand what the image is about, which can help your image appear in the relevant searches and add context to the page where the image is located. Now, second thing was rating, right? 1 to 5 stars. If the rating is arbitrary, you can use 5 to indicate a high quality or preferred image. So it's not exactly essential for SEO to include your rating, but this website has that data. I would just go ahead and it doesn't hurt. Then the author. So for example, name of the photographer or a business responsible for that particular image. It could be like Akko Stark Photography, or it could be a business in general. Because what this does is adding an author information provides credibility, and it can enhance the authority of the image, which is beneficial for transparency and copyright considerations. Speaking of copyright, we also have a copyright section. So what you want to do is you want to specify the copyright holder. So whoever's the copyright holder, you just do the C sign, the year copyrighted, and then the name of the person that's copywriting or the business, because that pretty much clarifies who owns the image and helps protect it legally. And then it can also prevent unauthorized usage and adds a layer of professionalism to your content. And that's all the data that Google learns. Then you have a camera maker. So for example, the camera manufacturer, example, Canon. Why do you need it? Primarily like the metadata for file organization. It's less relevant for SEO directly, but it can help organize images by quality or device for future reference. Then you have a camera model. So it would be Canon EOS R5 or whatever the camera model was that took that particular photo. It can basically help enhance that data. And then this is the most important one. You got the latitude and longitude. So whatever that location is pointing to, you want to go to a website, latlong.net, and then just punch in that address. So let's say if you're a service provider, you provided a service in a particular area where you want to geotag the image coming from, you want to punch the address in here, and then it'll find exactly latitude and longitude, and they'll pinpoint down on the map. And this is what you need to copy into those boxes. So just to kind of show you, I'm going to show you an example right now how I'm going to do this with this image. All right, so I just pasted over everything here. The description is at Payment Systems Office. And then we're indicating that this is a payment processing in Daytona Beach. It's a payment processing company. Now, rating 5 stars. because we have 5 stars everywhere. Authors at Payment Systems LLC. Copyright with the copyright sign 2024. Zap Payment Systems LLC. Camera maker, Apple. Camera model, iPhone 14 Pro Max, and Longitude and Latitude. Then all you do next is you go ahead and download. And then that's it. It takes about 5 seconds, and then boom. There is no crazy ads or anything. As you guys can see, it's all downloaded. And then what you want to do is before you upload this photo, you want to make sure that you also caption this. And if you're using a WordPress, make sure that you also enter a proper image metadata. So that way the image can be also described. But this is how you geotag images. It's this simple. I hope this video was helpful. Go ahead and drop me a subscribe because I am on a roll of continuously giving you guys value. I'm out.